Braemar. Wow. And yeah, isn't it dark in the mornings? It's probably getting on for like 9 o'clock and it's just sort of becoming daylight. But yeah, the days are really short up here. But it's been incredible, absolutely incredible. The views around here, around these mountains, just looking up here, across here now, just above this caravan, the sort of like cloud, and yeah, the mood, just incredible. Look at this. So I've got the same format, eggs, last 2 bits of bacon, a few sausages, and toast. That's not bad. Hey Jimmy, we're heading up to the Lek Ski Centre. I wonder who we're going to bump into. Ah. Shit again. Hello. Where are the Rolling Rucks? Oh, Merry Christmas. Done it, Merry Christmas. She's actually got some white snow. Oh.
What are you doing there? Watch those people!
Oh, I love it, yeah.
Next time I'll have to try and camera it. It's a nutter.
She doesn't normally hold the camera, she's waving it around all over the place.
Yeah, why not? I miss you, Paula. Yeah. Watch people. Get your glasses off, I will, Paula.
That's it, just hit the button again, too.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! We've got all the backstage action here. We've got all the backstage action. We're getting straight on it with the reactions of Charlie. How did it go, Charlie?
I don't think I need to do that again.
Baggy, how did it go?
My coccyx is hurting.
Look at that scenery down through there.
Wow.
Up in the mountains, up in the ski lifts. Wow, here we go! He's got the taste for it. Stu's got a taste for it now. It's amazing. We've just bumped into Bridget Jones. Oh my God! And she got a wet ass. What are these guys like? What are these nutters like? Oh, look at these nutters.
I got a better snowy.
Oh my God, snowy. Oh, here she goes. Here she goes. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
It's England versus Wales.
Oh,
It's England versus Wales. Who's gonna? Oh my God, we got Wales on the go now. We got England. Yeah, Wales. Yay! Woo! Look at this. It's actually the Rolling Rucks live at the Lex Ski Centre in the Cairngorms National Park. Cracker. I think he's got Caroline's hat on.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells and ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all